Hi, thanks for visiting my channel again. I want to review this Jorest wash repair tools that I just get in Amazon for 2 days. I borrowed this one from the past. I always put some date the things that I have, and you can use this one for open the back cover of your watch, replace battery, replace the strap, and shorten the strap. Seriously, I only get this one for $10, and big help to the when it comes you need to change your battery or replace the strap. This one is a variety of tools that you need it for around your house, most especially in the watch. And that's the back by itself. There's I think German translation there, and I think this one is the English and made in China, and there's no any product manual on this one, so you can just learn by yourself, gain skill and save money by do it yourself. When you need a replace a battery, now they charge you $15. So you buy this one in one use, you already paid up in this one. So let's go open this one really quick. What's inside, I already opened this one, but I just want to show you the number one important to this one to avoid scratch your cover is this one. This a clear protection for your watch to avoid scratched it. This one is the number one useful, and this one, so that you know where you're gonna turn it, I put some arrow there that it means if you put it up, that one it's tight. I show you, so it moves towards in the middle. When you roll this knob and put it down, it widened. Okay, just put that one inside. I tell you, the number one very useful to this one is this one. It's like a very tiny, if you look at it, it's screw, but you can use this one to pry your all cover of your watch, most especially if you don't have this, the one with the groove there to lose it. You can use this one for prying. So since I already used this one earlier, I show you this one is only cheap right there. I just want to show you. So Hilfiger, very cheap watch. That's why, I don't know, let's find out if this, I bought it in a dollar store. It says SB Smart Power Essential. It's a lot of bunch of different of button battery there. So in every model of battery they have four each. The total of this one is 40 pieces. So anyway, all my watch is cheap, so I already pre-opened this one earlier. So I use this simple prying thing, this orange with handle. I already pre-opened this one. This one is a INC. It's cheap. I bought it from the past in Macy's. And this one, it's being popular in the Philippines from before. This one is BAM equipment, BUM, that's the trademark. Give you a close-up look. So I already take care of two, so I'm planning to change the battery. And so for this one, so a little bit nice watch from Seiko, but the makers is Pulsar. I use the Renata, made from Swiss. That's why I used a good one. I don't know if this one it's soon is gonna be moist inside. Hopefully not. That's why let's try it. And this one too, it's tag viewer, but this one is a counterfeit fake. I have this one for 12 years. Every time the battery is die, I just change the battery. It runs well, so even though it's fake. So I give you a close-up look. You can tell it's counterfeit because of the logo. And the seal is still there for 12 years. So I keep it nice and clean. It's look like brand new since first day. And let's try this one, and so we have the witness if this one's work or not. So you know how much is the price of that buttons 40 pieces battery is only cost me $1.89. Most of the battery when Renata or Maxwell brand, they charge you $6 per shipping if you order it online. So this one's $1.89. So let's dive to this one, pour it. Let's see if this one's work or not. So as I've told you, I already pre-opened this one, so everything. So when it's run or work, so I just gonna show you if this works or not. But I have the other one that I ordered it in Amazon. This one. So I wrote it on Amazon. This one is Renata from Swiss. So a little bit good one in quality. So I just planning to put in this BAM equipment. This one is very tiny, but you can see the bezel, even though it's tiny. The watch that made from the pour, have you heard that click? Is quality if you compare it by now. So you can see, even though it's old, the bezel is still working. And the numbers is very visible. And there's a date on it. This one is for my wife watch. So let's proceed to put the battery in, and I show you one by one if it is work. Let's do it. Put this one in the side. Let's go. So first, let's open this one. This one is Renata. Sometimes this one it's expire. So let's see. So this one expired by 2027. So it's still in good shape. 4 pieces. The code is 377. Let's go put this one in. Hopefully this one is work. So you just gonna put to this watch, which it's Macy's brand. It's a very cheap watch, decent looking. Let's do. But I show you first what's it comes with it on this Jorest watch repair kit. So this one is a black, so you can put your watch there to when you put it in. and use the hammer. So this one is protection too. This one, if it's hard you to take care of the cover, you can use this one for the grip. And they have a little hammer there for prying, tweezer, different size of pins for your bracelet, different little things of piece of screw, and you can use this ones for take care of your bracelet too. And this one is you always use it every time you replace the battery. This one is very useful. A brush for cleaning, and a little tiny screw here too, secondly, for backup. So that's be it. Let's proceed to replace the battery first. The Mason. I mentioned earlier this one is Renata, but I found out this one is a Maxwell. I think made from the USA. Now strike one. This one is work. So it's 10:35 right now. So I put it in 10:35. Everything is work. There's no any scratches there, and they still have a seal on it, the plastic lamination. So I keep it there to look brand new. So it's work. Close up look. The second is work. So the minutes too. Let's try the other one. So this one is the Target 2, the bomb equipment. The old batteries there. I think this one is Maxwell 2, so it's compatible to this 377 SR6265W. Let's put it in. Let's see what's the result, and after that I put the bracelet too. Hopefully it's working. Let's do it. So 2 men down. So this one, it's positive, is working. After put a battery in, I put the claps too. So all I need to do is adjust the date. It's work fine. So by using the Maxwell battery made from here. So that was the quality one. So let's now dive to this Smart Value Power Essential. This one is made in China. So let's try to put on this heel pilger, okay? So it's positive working. You see the minutes. It's hitting the seconds one by one. Let's do the other one. So here we go. I just take care of the battery. So all of the snap on is the same. Is the same one, even though the expensive or cheap one, they have the same how to do it. I apologize, I cannot do show it to you because it's gonna take a little time to do it. That's why I just show you. And this one, it's positive work. So this one is the basic ones. I just tell you. This one is the snap-on too. So you can see this one is the cover. So let's put this one in. So cross our finger. Hopefully this one's work. Let's do it. So here we go. It says in The third one, it says 377, so you're gonna use this tablet, either one on the top or in the bottom. But let's pull this one out and put the one in. And I apologize again, I cannot show you how to put this one in. It's gonna be take forever, but all is the same as long that snap on. So here's the back part. Let's put this one in now. I pull it out. This one is the replacement, the cheap one. So let's try this one to put it on now, if it is working. Cross our finger. So here we go. It's kick 3. So it's a little bit difficult to sit in, but I got it. Because so this part you need to pull it out so that it holds the battery. So I heard some click. Now it's hold tight now. Even though you shake it, it's not gonna go out or it's not gonna pop up. Now it's time to put the cover in. This is the last one, so hopefully I make it. Let's do it now, and I show you after I put it in. So this is the last one. Hopefully the last one it works too, so everything's fine after that. So viewers, now you can tell it all works successfully. I replaced all the battery with no problem, but hopefully this cheap one is not gonna build some moist inside the watch. So the only battery buttons that I use is for this one, because this one is the cheapest of these three. So it's all work. You can tell all the minutes it moves, and this one too, the counterfeit one, the tag newer, and the Seiko Pulsar is all works too. But most of the battery I use is the Renata. So the quality one made from Swiss. The only cheap one is this one. So hopefully you like this video. See you again in next time. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and have a wonderful day. So if you ask me, I just suggest to buy this cheap. It's not break your bank. The Jorest brand, even though it's cheap. Imagine I changed bunch of watches for this cheap back of tools. I repeat, the Jorest brand watch repair tool set. So that be it, and out, and have a wonderful day. See you next time.